Suppose that an analyst has been assigned to monitor the Rashid criminal group. However, the targeted jailbreak of Dahnun Ahmad, a Rashid criminal group member, has elevated the priority of understanding his connections to the criminal group and identification of how the well-coordinated breakout could take place under tight security. On March 4th, 2010, an IED attack took place in Kark. Dahnun Ahmad escaped with 3 other detainees. This demo shows how analysts use the visual analytic tool to analyze the event. The first question we need to answer is which group was involved in the attack. We enter the question on the workbench and mark it as a question. First of all, we need to get the information about the event itself. To target the event in our data, we select the time range in early March. We can see all the panels change to show the data during that time. We look into the table of events and sort the records by time. We get a record titled March 4th, Raid/Escape. We click on the event and see its detailed information. The map shows where the event occurs, and the table of messages shows the raw message from which all entities are extracted. We can zoom into the network panel and find all of the entities linked to this event, including a key character, informant Dahnun Ahmad. We are very confident that this IED attack is specifically related to Dahnun Ahmad and hypothesize that the organization which Dahnun Ahmad belongs may be involved in the event. We take down the claim on the workbench and mark it as a claim. The sentence is styled in a different color and indented automatically. Next, we want to know more about Dahnun Ahmad. At the moment, we are not interested in the raw messages, so we can close the table of messages to save space and open the table of people. We search for Dahnun Ahmad, and the table shows the search results on the fly. We get informant Dahnun Ahmad and Dahnun Ahmad Mahmoud Ahmad. We click on informant Dahnun Ahmad. From the timeline, we see that informant Dahnun Ahmad has been active since March 1st. We narrow the time down to early March. We look into the network and make clear his linkages. Dahnun Ahmad Mahmoud Ahmad became a BCT informant after the event informant agreement on March 1st. Dahnun Ahmad was arrested in early January and escaped on March 4th, which is exactly the ID event we are looking into. To find the organizations Dahnun Ahmad belongs to, we need to look into Dahnun Ahmad Mahmoud Ahmad and include data before March. We filter out all the data from before March and look into the network. As the network is all we are interested in now, we can maximize it to fully explore it. We relay out the nodes, especially Dahnun Ahmad Mahmoud Ahmad and his linked nodes. The network clearly shows Rashid Criminal Group and Iranian Special Group are directly linked with Dahnun Ahmad Mahmoud Ahmad, and a person claimed to have witnessed the IED attack by Rashid Criminal Group. We can take down what we find on the workbench. We suspect that the Rashid Criminal Group and Iranian Special Group are involved in the attack and mark it as a claim. Several pieces of positive evidence include that Ahmad was a member of the 2 groups, the Rashid Criminal Group, which allegedly conducted the attack. The 2 groups are closely related through another figure, Abdul Jabbar Wahid. However, a negative piece of evidence is that no indicators have been found that the Rashid Criminal Group was in possession of an IED device.